In this video, we're going to look how to set up your subscription rewards ordering. So let's start by logging in. You can enter your username here, your password here, and then click login. Bear in mind that as I'm in the test environment, my pages will load slower than yours in your back office. Just to set up your subscription rewards, we come to the subscription box and we click Sign Up Now. This will then bring us to the catalogs page, where we can scroll up and down to view products. We can find them via the filters on the left-hand side, via the product search bar on the top right, or via our traditional drop-down menus here. You can also change the country you're sending products to, and also the catalog here from local to MFR. Just bear in mind that you can't set up a subscription rewards order for a country outside of your market. For today's example, we're going to select some collagen elixir. So I'll come to the left and click on skin, and here we have the collagen elixir. So I'm just going to click Add to Cart. That will then take us to the pop-up page where we can either continue shopping to add more products or view cart and checkout. In this example, I'm going to view cart and checkout. From here, I can then see my cart where I can update the quantity. So for today's example, I want 3 collagen, so I'll click the plus symbol. And here is also where I can change the date and the frequency for how often this order processes. So as I want the date for the 16th of August, I'm going to click on it here. And down the bottom, I can also apply any coupons I want to the order here, and I will have a My Coupons button here. I can see the preliminary price, and when I'm ready, I can click Checkout. That will then bring us to the review page, and on the final page, we can see we already have the shipping address in the order and the payment method because both are populated on your account. You can change your shipping address here, or your payment option here. If you're business building and want to make sure this is a 100 QV or more qualifying order, you need to check this section here. To update your shopping cart, you can click Edit here. Also, regarding the date of when my subscription will process, I can see it here and the frequency of future orders here. To make any changes, I can click Edit here. I can see the final price and any discounts or coupons applied here. And when I'm ready, I just click Confirm Subscription. And there you have it. We've now confirmed our subscription rewards ordering for the 16th of August that will process every 30 days. Thanks for watching.